Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about linear differential equations, which is in differential equation 8th chapter in Mathematics 2B in intermediate second year. This video will help in TS and AP students, those who are studying intermediate. Especially for 2022, for TS this concept is not there, but in AP it is there. But it will be very important for the competitive exams itself, dear students. So now let us have a discussion about the procedure how to solve linear differential equations. See, in the linear differential equation, the concept is linear differential equation. So simply we can write it as linear differential equation, LDE. The linear differential equations can be divided into two types. Linear differential according to intermediate I am saying, dear students. 1 minute, I will bring that blue. Yeah, I got it. Linear differential equation in linear differential equation in X, linear differential equation in Y. These two are very important differential equations, linear differential equations. What is general form of linear differential equation in X? What is general form of linear differential equation in Y? First, you have to know about the differential equation form in X and Y. What is the integrating factor? What is the solution of that type of equations? First, we will look into linear differential equation in Y. The differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. The differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then this type of differential equation is called linear differential equation in Y. Here you observe, dear students, P and Q are functions in X. P and Q are functions in X. This P value and Q value. This is the first information regarding linear differential equation in Y. Suppose the given differential equation is not there in this form. Suppose 1 plus x square into dy by dx is there. Some information P into some value. In place of P, some function in terms of x. Q in terms of x. Like this it is there. First you have to making it to this form and get the values of P comma Q. Further step, to calculate the solution of the differential equation, integrating factor or integration factor. Integrating factor or integration factor. Simply we can call as IF. What is integrating factor of this type of differential equation, linear differential equation in Y, which is equal to integrating factor is e power integral P in terms of x is there, no? So e power integral P dx. This is called integrating factor for this type of differential equation. Integrating factor. Step by step I am explaining these students. This is the way only we can solve the equations, differential equations. In the third step, solution of differential equations. Solution of this type of linear differential equation in y. Solution of linear differential equation in y. Solution of linear differential, otherwise given differential equation. GDE, given differential equation. We decided that it is linear differential equation in y. Solution of given differential equation is, see how to remember easy way. dy by dx, it start with y, no? So, start with y here also. Solution of the differential equation, y into integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor. That's all. After that we can simplify and get it the answer. After that plus c, anyway after integration plus c. This is called the general solution, the solution of the given differential equation. These are the very important steps to calculate the solution of linear differential equation in y. First, you have to decide whether the differential equation, linear differential equation in y or x. If it is decided by linear differential equation in y, this is the procedure you can follow. Now come to linear differential equation in x. How it will be? The differential equation in the form. The differential equation is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. The differential equation is of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q. Sir, why sir you are saying this is as a second one? You are giving the first preference for this. In the textbook, the examples and the textbook exercise, most of the questions are related to linear differential equation in y only. That is the reason I have given first preference for this. Few questions are there, 2 or maximum 3 questions are there, linear differential equation in x. So that is the reason I am explaining in the second way. So the differential equation dx by dy plus px equal to q is linear differential equation in x, where p comma q are whenever linear differential equation in x, that p comma q in terms of y or functions in y Keep in mind, dear students, for dy by dx plus py equal to q, p comma q are functions in x. Here p comma q are functions in y. The second one, integrating factor. Integrating factor. What is integrating factor for this? Whenever dx by dy is there, p comma q which are in terms of y, so integrating factor is e power integral p dy will come. Integrating factor. Integrating factor. Even proof also I am able to tell, but here simple way for understanding purpose of student I am explaining here. Integrating factor, if e power integral p dy. Integrating factor. This is about integrating factor for linear differential equation in x. Next, solution. The solution of the differential equation. The solution of given differential equation is solution of given differential equation, GDE. Here GDE represents given differential equation. Is differential equation start with x, dx by dy. So start with x into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dy. Start with x, end with y. Start with y, end with x. After that plus c. Anyway, after integration, we will put that integration constant. So this is about the procedure and to find the solutions of linear differential equation in x and y. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the exercise questions. In the exercise 8e differential equations in intermediate. First, they will give one differential equation. For 2 marks questions we may expect in the public examination. Find integrating factor for the given differential equation. Integrating factor. Like these questions we will discuss now. Yeah, we entered into the exercise 8e. In this first question, in these 2 questions are there. Find the integrating factor for the following differential equations by transforming them into linear forms. So first, the given differential equation. First, we need to transform the given differential equation into linear form. Just now we discussed 2 linear forms, linear differential equation. Either linear differential equation in terms of x or linear differential equation in terms of y. We can convert. Here dy by dx is there, means it is absolutely linear differential equation in y. So here x is extra. So throughout the equation dividing by x, first step is given differential equation. Proper steps if you want, like this you can write it. Given differential equation dividing by x. Suppose here in place of x square is there, throw dividing by x square. Some any other function is there, 1 plus x square is there, throw dividing by 1 plus x square. So dividing by x on both sides. So some students will arise the doubt, sir, why is it dividing by x? I want the coefficient of dy by dx should be 1 by dividing with the term. So it will becomes dy by dx minus y by x is equal to here 2x square by x. So one of the x cancel, directly writing 2 into x into secant square 2x. This equation you have to write in the form of dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into y is equal to 2x into secant square 2x. This equation you have to compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. They are asking to calculate only integrating factors. Here integrating factor. What is P, what is Q? First you identify. Here P is equal to minus 1 by x, comparing this, and Q is equal to 2x into secant square 2x. Q value is not required. Why? Because they are asking only integrating factor. For reducing into the linear form and writing the values of P comma Q 1 mark. For writing integrating factor for linear, it is linear differential equation in y. So whenever it is linear differential equation in y, the integrating factor is e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p value minus 1 by x into dx, which is equal to e power minus integral 1 by x log mod x. Here don't write plus c, leave it like this. Here minus is there. By using logarithmic properties, m log a is there, means we can write it as log a power m. So m is equal to what here? Minus 1. So it will becomes e power log x power minus 1 log mod x of log x. And one more important result, e power log f of x is equal to f of x. Whatever the function is there here, that value will come. So in place of f of x here, x power minus 1, which is equal to x power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by x. Therefore, integrating factor for this given differential equation is 1 by x. I hope you understand, dear students. Step by step I explain. We will move on to the next question here. This is the given differential equation. Come to the second one, GDE, given differential equation. In this equation also, the coefficient of dx by dy is y. I want to keep dx by dy coefficient as 1. So throughout dividing by y. I am not mentioning here, directly I am writing dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 2y cube by y. So it will become 2y square. This equation you have to compare with dx by dy. We can write like this also, no? Plus minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. Compare with this dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p is equal to minus 1 by y and q equal to 2y square. It is a linear differential equation. It is linear differential equation in x. Why? Because dx by dy is there, starting with x. The linear differential equation in x. Whenever it is linear differential equation in x, what is the integrating factor? Therefore, the integrating factor if is equal to e power p comma q in terms of y is there. So integrating factor also e power integral p dy, which is equal to e power integral p value minus 1 by y. Similar question, which is equal to e power minus integral 1 by y is log mod y or simply log y. Again, by using the same formula, it will become e power log y power minus 1. Again, by using the same formula, e power log f of x is equal to f of x. Here, m log a is equal to log a power m. So it will become y power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by y. These are the solutions, integrating factor for the given differential equations. We'll move on to the second section. This is the first section. One and only one question we have. The two questions. Yeah, in the first bit, two questions are there. I wrote as Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2. But the two questions are there in the first section. Come to the second section. In second section, first question. Clearly, step by step, I am going to explain to students. Listen carefully. Solve the following differential equation. That means for all the questions, we need to find the solution. So, first you observe that whether the given differential equation, linear differential equation in x or y, first you identify. dy by dx. So whenever numerator y is there, linear differential equation in y. After that, you identify the values of p and q. First step, given differential equation. In the solution step, GDE, dy by dx plus y into tan x. That means tan x into y. We can write like this. Is equal to cos cube x. This you have to compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. It is a linear differential equation in y. Equation 1 is linear differential equation in y, and here p equal to tan x and q equal to cos cube x. First, this information you have to write it. Before going to calculate the solution of given differential equation, we need to find integrating factor for the corresponding given differential equation. It is a linear differential equation in y. So integrating factor for this question, for this equation, if integrating factor of this equation, e power integral integrating factor for linear p and q in terms of x is there, no? So e power integral p dx will come. You remember it, students, which is equal to e power integral p value is what? Tan x. What is integral tan x? T by dx of tan x is secant square x. But integral tan square x is secant tan x. Integral secant square x. But here integral tan x is there. Log mod secant x, which is equal to e power log mod secant x. In the previous problem, e power log f of x we discussed as f of x. So, e power log secant x is secant x. You remove that mod and write it as logarithmics or depending for only positive integers. So, integrating factor is if is equal to secant x. Till here, you understand now? For the given equation converting into this form and writing p comma q, 1 mark. Finding integrating factor, 1 mark. For writing solution step, 1 mark. For getting answer, 1 mark. This is the way the marks is going to distribute when the question is giving for 4 marks. So now solution step. The solution of given differential equation. The solution of given differential equation is, so the linear differential equation in y, no? So start with y, solution. Y into integrating factor, which is equal to integral q into integrating factor into, here start with y means end with x plus c. For writing this only formula, 1 mark. For the rest of the steps, 1 mark, total 4 marks. Y into, what is integrating factor here? Secant x is equal to integral q. Q value is what? Cos cube x into integrating factor secant x into dx plus c. In the next step, secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. So, y into secant x is equal to integral cos cube x divided by cos x into dx. Secant x can be 1 by cos x. So, one of the cos x cancel here. So, the remaining is cos square x. Integral cos square x. Integral cos square x, we didn't have direct formula. Cos square x, it is in the form of cos square a. Cos square a, in terms of cos, you have to write formulas, trigonometry formulas, dear students. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. So here I will mention the formula of trigonometry. Cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Keep in mind, dear students. So, each and every term you have to integrate 1 by 2. We can take outside. And each and every term integrate. Integral 1 into dx, integral dx plus integral cos 2x into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2. Integral dx is x plus integral cos 2x, integral cos ax, sin ax by a, integral cos 2x, sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. So therefore, y into secant x is equal to this one. So here, if you want to take LCM, you can take it. Otherwise, you can leave it like this. Nothing will happen. No need to simplify. So better to take LCM. Y into secant x is equal to 1 by 2. Here already 2 is there. 2x plus sine 2x plus c. 2 2s are 4, we can take here. So 4y secant x is equal to 2x plus sine 2x plus, so here 4c will come. 4c anyway constant. Even till this step also correct answer. If you want to simplify more, sine 2x, 2 sine x cos x, we can do that also. I hope you people understand now. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, dy by dx plus y into secant x equal to tan x. So directly the given differential equation GDE, given differential equation, this equation compared with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where P equal to secant x and Q equal to tan x. So whenever P and Q are in terms of x, this is a linear differential equation in y. So for the linear differential equation in y, what is integrating factor? IF, e power integral p dx. So e power integral p value secant x into dx. Integral secant x, log mod secant x plus tan x. So which is equal to e power integral secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x. Dear students, learn thoroughly the formulas of integration. Otherwise, how much you practice given differential equations or any integration formula problems, so waste. 100% you have to thorough the formulas of integration. Not only integration but also differentiation formulae you should prepare. Go to the playlist of differentiation of the first year. I already given all the formulas of. Otherwise, first video of integration, that also you can see the difference between differentiation and integration also I have given. Yeah, come to here. E power log f of x. So which is equal to f of x. It can be secant x plus tan x. So the integrating factor for the given differential equation is secant x plus tan x. After that, the solution of given differential equation, the solution of equation 1 or given differential equation is, start with y. So y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx, start with y, end with x plus c, which is equal to y into integrating factor is secant x plus tan x is equal to integral q. Q means what? Tan x. Here we mentioned that. So q value is tan x into integrating factor is secant x plus tan x into dx plus c. Now split into two terms, integral tan x into secant x. So secant x tan x into dx plus integral tan x into tan x, tan square x into dx plus c. So therefore y into secant x plus tan x is equal to integral secant x tan x. What is d by dx of secant x? Secant x tan x. Integral secant x tan x is secant x plus integral tan square x. We didn't have any formula, so we need to convert in terms of secant. Integral tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. That means secant square x minus 1 into dx plus c. Tan square a is equal to secant square a minus 1, which is equal to secant x plus integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 into dx plus c, which is equal to secant x plus integral secant square x tan x minus integral dx is x plus c. Therefore, the solution of given equation is, therefore the solution of given differential equation is, as it is, you write it, y into secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. This is the way you can give the answer to students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question number 3. Solve differential equation dy by dx minus y into tan x equal to e power x into secant x. The first step is given differential equation GDE and write in the form of dy by dx plus y into minus tan x is equal to e power x into secant x. Equation number 1. Compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to minus tan x and q equal to e power x into secant x. P value and q value, we have that. After getting these values, integrating factor IF, integrating factor of equation 1, e power, whenever the linear differential equation, it is a d e in y, linear differential equation in y. So whenever it is linear differential equation in y, IF equal to e power integral p dx, p and q in terms of x, e power integral p value minus tan x into dx, integral tan x log mod secant x, e power minus log mod secant x. If you remove minus here by using logarithmic properties, m log a power m will come, e power log secant x whole power minus 1. So e power log f of x is f of x. So secant x whole power minus 1, 1 by secant x. Keep it like this. Otherwise cos x also we can write it, dear students. So integrating factor is over. Now the solution of this differential equation. The solution of given differential equation 1 is, start with y. Here also y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c, which is equal to y into integrating factor is what? 1 by secant x is equal to integral q value e power x into secant x, integrating factor 1 by secant x into dx plus c. So secant x get cancelled, which is equal to integral e power x into dx plus c. Integral e power x dx, so e power x plus c. So y by secant x is equal to e power x plus c. 1 by secant x is cos x, therefore we can write as y into cos x is equal to e power x plus c. This is the solution of given differential equation. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, solve x dy by dx plus 2y equal to log x. First, the given differential equation. To convert it into the dy by dx plus py equal to q, so dividing by x. Now it will becomes dy by dx plus 2y by x, that means 2 by x into y dividing by x, which is equal to log x by x. It is a linear differential equation. It is linear differential equation in y. And here p is equal to 2 by x and q equal to log x by x square. So whenever it is linear differential equation in y, integrating factor you can calculate if integral e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p value 2 by x means 2 we can take outside, 1 by x into dx. E power 2 into integral 1 by x is log mod x. So by using logarithm properties we can write as e power log x square, otherwise log x whole square. E power log x square, e power f of x equal to f of x. So therefore integrating factor if is equal to x square. So integrating factor is also next solution. Therefore the solution of given differential equation, the solution of equation 1 is, start with y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx. Start with y, end with x plus c. Y into integrating factor is x square is equal to integral q value is log x by x square into integrating factor x square into dx plus c. Everyone understand here till here? So x square get cancelled. So here log x square, not log x by x only. Here also one of the x only cancel. Here one x will be there. Sorry, here x only. I forgot to write here x square. So x is cancelled, one of the x is there. Integral x into log x into dx plus c. So y into x square is equal to integral x log x into dx. X into log x. So here integration by parts, by using integration by parts, which already discussed in the previous videos, dear students. Go to the exercise 6C in integration. The problems which are related to the integration by parts, I already explained. Go to that. By using integration by parts, so it will become here y into x square is equal to, by using integration by parts means here I-late formula we can apply. I-late. So x is algebraic, log x is logarithmic. So logarithmic is first function f of x, algebraic is second function g. So f of x into g of x. F of x into x into, here I will mention, f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to x. F dash of x we require, that is 1 by x, log x derivative is 1 by x. So formula regarding integration by parts, those who want, here I am writing the formula for the convenience of the student. Integral f of x into g of x dx equal to f of x into integral g of x dx whole dx minus integral f dash of x into integral g of x dx whole dx. This is the formula for integral of the product of two functions. By using I-late formula, we can expand in that way. So now, this is f of x, this is g of x. F of x into, f of x means what? Log x. Log x into integral g of x, integral x dx minus integral f dash of x, log x derivative is 1 by x into integral g of x, integral x dx whole dx, which is equal to log x into integral x dx is x squared by 2 minus integral 1 by x into integral x dx is x squared by 2 into dx plus c here. One of the x cancel. So 1 by 2 into log x into x squared minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx plus c. X cancel, 1 by 2 we can take outside. So 1 by 2 log x into x squared minus 1 by 2 integral x dx is x squared by 2 plus c. Therefore, y into x squared is equal to, from these two, take common here LCM, or otherwise we can leave it like this. Y x squared is equal to log x into x squared by 2 minus x squared by 4 plus c. Take LCM and 4 you can take this side. So 4y x squared is equal to 2x squared into log x minus x squared plus 4c. Even till here also we can stop there, students. This is the required solution. Here you need to understand by using integration by parts, even integration by parts formula also are given here. I hope you understand here. Yeah, 1 minute, students. From question number 5, we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching our channel Maths with Panindra. If you like this video, please share to your friends and relatives and join in my Telegram channel. I will give the link in the description box. Any doubts are there still, you can write to my comment box. I will respond in my free time. Thank you all. Jai Hind.